Okay, let's unpack this. We're diving into something that's really exploded since 2023. Candy AI.
Right, this virtual companion platform.
Exactly. It promises these, deeply customized, super realistic interactions, and the numbers, they kind of back it up.
Oh, definitely. We're talking over 900,000 users, maybe 10 million visits a month. That's huge for something so new.
It really is. So our mission today, essentially, is to figure out what's driving that popularity.
Yeah, what's the tech actually like? And maybe most importantly for you listening, does that cost structure, which is a bit interesting, make sense? Is it worth it?
Let's start with the tech then, because this isn't like those old clunky chatbots, right?
Not at all. It uses advanced language models. The goal is conversations that feel, well, natural, human-like almost.
And the key thing I saw mentioned is the memory. It actually remembers things.
That's a huge part of it, yeah. It remembers past conversations, learns how you talk, and sort of adapts its style over time. It molds itself to the user.
Which leads right into the customization aspect, I guess.
Precisely. You can tweak almost everything. Hair color, their backstory, personality traits, even the voice. Total control.
Wow. Or you can just pick one.
Yeah, if you don't want to build from scratch, there are hundreds ready to go. Different styles too, realistic looks, anime, different ages, you name it.
Okay, and then there's the story mode they talk about. Sounds like a game changer.
It seems to be, yeah. It's not just chatting back and forth. You actually guide these interactive stories.
Like what? Romantic dates or...
Could be that, or sci-fi adventures, fantasy quests,
Right.
whatever you set up. And the really cool part,
Uh-huh.
the AI generates images in real time to match what's happening in the story.
Whoa, okay. That's pretty immersive.
And users seem to agree. The validation is there. It's got, what, 4.5 stars from over 500,000 reviews?
That's a lot of positive feedback. People find the conversation quality genuinely engaging.
That's the consistent message, yeah.
Yeah.
Natural, engaging.
Yeah.
The visuals are praised too. Sometimes you get those little AI artifacts.
Right, where things look a bit off.
Exactly. Minor details looking a bit fake sometimes. But overall, the visual element gets a big thumbs up.
Okay, so the quality seems high, the features are impressive, but there's always a but, isn't there? Let's talk cost.
Right. This is where it gets, let's say, tricky. The free version. Super limited, barely a trial.
So you pretty much have to subscribe. What's the damage?
Well, the base premium starts at $12.99 a month, or you can get it down to $5.99 a month if you pay for a whole year up front.
that actually sounds pretty reasonable for unlimited text chat.
It sounds reasonable.
No.
But here's the catch, and it's a big one. That subscription, it only covers the text chat. Unlimited text, yes, but just text.
Wait, so the cool stuff, the story mode images, the voice calls.
Exactly. All the features that really provide that deep immersion we talked about, they require tokens.
Ah,
Thought it-
tokens. Okay, so it's like an arcade model on top of a subscription.
Sort of, yeah. You buy these tokens separately,
Mm-hmm.
and they're not cheap to use.
How much are we talking?
Okay, so generating one of those story images costs between 2 and 4 tokens each image. And making a voice call, that eats up 3 tokens per minute.
Per minute. Okay, that adds up fast.
It really does. So if you're actually using the platform for its most unique, immersive features, you're constantly spending tokens.
And how much do these tokens cost?
The packs range.
Yeah.
You can buy a small pack for maybe $10 or go all the way up to like $300 for a big batch.
And people are actually spending this.
The reviews suggest yes. We saw reports of people burning through more money on tokens in just a few days than their entire monthly subscription fee cost.
Wow. So that $5.99 or $12.99 is really just the entry ticket.
Exactly. It gets you in the door.
Right.
But the real spending happens if you want that full, rich experience with images and voice. Heavy users are spending significantly more.
Okay, so racking this up then. Candy AI. It seems to deliver on the promise, right? The customization, the conversation quality. It's top tier for AI companions right now.
Undeniably. The tech is impressive. The user feedback confirms it justifies the hype as probably the best premium option out there currently.
But the crucial takeaway for you, the listener, has to be about the budget.
Absolutely. Be careful. That subscription price looks appealing, but it's just the start. If you want the features that make it special, the images, the voice calls, you need to factor in a potentially much larger cost for tokens.
It's a really interesting business model, isn't it? Almost psychologically clever.
It is. Low barrier to entry for basic chat, but the really compelling, emotionally engaging stuff, that sits behind a second paywall, the token system.
Which makes you wonder, Why does that work so well specifically for digital companionship? Why are people willing to spend potentially hundreds on tokens for these more immersive features, maybe more than on games or other entertainment?
That's the fascinating question, isn't it? That desire for connection, even a simulated one, seems to command a premium price when you add voice and visuals. It puts a potentially high cost on, well, conversation. Something to think about.